nanopod is going down to the axiom. It's encircling the axiom.
In 2016, an independent researcher discovered a way to precipitate biological anomalies from human hand and feet using a very simple technique. These anomalies are presumed to be part of a worldwide biological nanotechnology program identified broadly under Margolin disease study. T is likely everyone is a carrier of these anomalies. This video will show you to remove anomalies for further analysis and discovery. Tag this field #nanotetraremedy.
The following images are items recovered from hands and feet using organic oil to extract particles the size of pepper flakes, which under microscope investigation revealed they are actually strands or fibers which ball up under the extraction process. There are also little bodies that come out like grains of sand, some with dendrite tendrils or tails. There has even been one with some kind of Abrahamic nanotext label. The following video goes through the process of extracting the bodies using a generous wash of coconut oil. The bodies are then examined under a microscope at 700 to 1000 times magnification. There will be a slideshow at the end of the video of all data collected as far. Images are original work of Darren CFD TV and may be used for educational non-profit use only with credit given and a link to this video. darrenovation@iCloud.com.
Okay, so in this video I'm going to reproduce something that I came across somewhat by accident. The precipitation of bodies from surface of the hands and the feet. This was done using coconut oil on the hands, and then we'll further investigate using a microscope. I have documented bodies, small microscopic bodies that came out of the hand. I'll doing this to reproduce the effect. So without any further ado, okay, so I'm trying to keep this as scientific as possible, and this may show you that there's nothing on my hands or in my hands. I think it's important that the hands are completely dry. There's oil and water. And a spoon. This is going to bother some people. Yes, there is stuff in here, but it's clean right here, so take a decent amount. Now what you want to do is get a lot on there. Like it's got to be sopping wet. And then you just gently move the oil around. I don't even really think that you need to agitate it, because I have watched this stuff just come right out. There's one right there. Arguably, it could be a contaminant. This is so good. See something? There's something there. You can see it. And if you just continue working, and then there's another one beside it right there. They're very small. There you go. I should have had a toothpick. Now, what I've discovered is that these are actually little fibers, so what happens if you kind of rotate your hands around, they'll ball up together and present themselves in a more prominent fashion. Now you have to keep in mind, since I did this, I really have upped my regime of what I believe is a way to combat infiltration. So see that little speck there? When I first did this, man, there were so many. I collected like 100 on a piece of towel. I wasn't sure what it was. And then you also find that sometimes these little hard balls come out too, which are very interesting indeed. This is Now, when I first did this originally, I can say there was hundreds of these things, and I wasn't sure what it was, and I had my ideas and what have you, and I put it away for about 6 months till I got that little microscope, and then I got the little pieces of paper out and looked at them, and I even did this again with a couple friends, and they got some results too. We always find the similar things. So, yeah, but I'm happy with the lack of stuff coming out here. I see 2 more. One there. It's really hard to get them on the pen. There we go. Got him. That's a lot. Now, I know you're gonna say the stuff was in the coconut oil, but it's not. I've done this with a fresh bottle. And, you know, there's only so much that you can believe on video, but try it for yourself. That's what the whole point of this is. I have lots of things that I've discovered that I just haven't put it on YouTube. So, okay, well, I believe that is a reasonable sample. So, next step is to get the microscope, and we shall do the live analysis. Okay. Totally cool. Number 1. let's get